Hamburger rice, a perfect delicious recipe you can make at home under 40 minutes. I'm here with this recipe just to tell you it's so delicious, it's so easy to make, it's so refreshing. Look at that. Ground beef, you have to use ground beef for this recipe. This is 80-20, so 80% is the pure lean meat and 20% is the fat. I have a basmati rice, you can use jasmine rice, or even you can use brown rice in here. I'm using white jasmine rice in here. I have kale, this is all chopped, rinsed, all clean. Look at these ingredients, I'm telling you. Clove powder, I have a black pepper, I have a white pepper, I have salt, I have carom seeds, I have some chopped garlic, and I have some onion. And here we have, you can use oil, you can use butter. I'm using olive oil in here, extra virgin one. We are making this meal enough for 2 people. This whole thing cost me around $30. Pan is on the high flame. Let's get into it. At least 10 tablespoons of olive oil in here. If your oil is not hot, wait at least 5 minutes. My oil looks hot. All right, here you go. Onion, chopped onion, 1 medium-sized onion goes in here. That's how we have to do. And you can, at the same time, you can add garlic. I have at least 3 cloves of fresh garlic. I've added all in here. Let's saute this at least for 5 minutes. Half pounds of our ground meat, right? We'll add this right here. With the help of the spoon, yes, we'll break it. Okay, once you spread all the meat, we'll grab our clove powder, half tablespoon, okay? It goes in here. We'll grab crushed black pepper, half tablespoon. White pepper powder, half tablespoon. Carom seed, guys, half tablespoon. And salt, 1 whole tablespoon, because we're gonna add a whole cup of basmati rice, right? Jasmine rice, you can say. 1 tablespoon. Actually, it's a white rice with the hamburger, right? Okay, let's stir fry this now for another 6-7 minutes. So I added a half tablespoon of red crushed pepper just to make it a little bit spicy. If you don't want to add peppers, it's all okay. The pepper's gonna give a lot of kick to it. So it's been 5 to 7 minutes, guys. Look at this, our hamburger, huh? Smells good, looks good. All right, now it's the time. We will take some chopped kale, at least 2 cups of chopped kale, and we will add this right here. All in here. Hamburger and a kale. Our right now is a chef ground beef and a kale in here so far. Oops, don't jump out. 2 to 3 cups of water. Okay. Here you go, 3 cups of water in here. Let's bring it to boil and cook it with the lid. Let's cover this with the lid and wait 10 more minutes on it, okay? It's been 10 minutes of boiling once we added the water. So this is how it looks, guys. Look at this. Wonderful, right? This is the perfect time. This is a rice, 1 cup of rice, right? Then we drain this excess water. Okay, so this is the quantity of the rice. We will add this right here. Let's give this a good healthy mix. You guys see the water quantity in here? It's all perfect. At this time, the stove is on the high flame. Keep it on the high flame. Keep it on the high flame just for 5 more minutes. The water gonna start boil, it's gonna evaporate, right? Then we will cover it with the lid. I've been wearing these gloves, oh man, at least for 30 minutes. Okay, now put the stoves onto medium. That's it. We'll cover it with the lid just like that and let it cook onto medium to simmer. If you want to put it onto simmer, forget it about 20 minutes. Well guys, perfect delicious hamburger rice recipe is right here. Make this recipe, surprise all the family members with this recipe. Easy ingredients I showed you, very easy to make, full of flavor, protein and carbs combo. If you're a rice lover, you will love this recipe. Make this recipe, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I'll see you guys on the next one. And yeah, bye bye for now.